All right, guys, here we go. Cage is all done. Sidebars are in. The dash, everything is done for the cage. Guys, we are going to put a console underneath the dash going toward the shifter to put all the switches on. But, guys, this is done. Like I said, we got some touch-up paint, but that's normal. Just a little touch-up paint here and there. But look at that beautiful FT600 with those nanos. FuelTech, you see it. But there it is. Double parachute mount already on the car, ready to put 2 chutes and throw them. So if you don't think that's sexy, here's a little side view for you. Chutes coming out, 2 parachutes. Man, I love it. All of the wings and everything, the sunroof, they're all getting sent out to powder coating. And then here's my favorite. What about a fuel tank under the hood? In the bumper, first time ever, on a Charger, only at Prestige Fabrication. Guys, it's a sweet little look. I love it. Go follow them, guys.